Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the core team and setting a strict timer so the session generates focused output. Once people are present, draw the 4-quadrant grid and label each box. Make sure everyone sees the same frame. Next, seed each quadrant with quick facts from sales data and customer feedback to avoid opinions only. You do this because concrete inputs anchor the analysis and because time boxing forces prioritization. So capture notes visibly and assign a scribe before moving to ideation. Once the grid is filled, run structured brainstorming rounds. Silent listing for 2-3 minutes, then rapid sharing so ideas surface without dominance. After sharing, cluster duplicates and run a quick vote. Each person assigns 1-3 points to prioritize items. You do this because clustering reduces noise and voting reveals consensus on what matters most. Then, dig into the top 2 strengths and weaknesses to find root causes. Understanding why they exist turns findings into actionable leverage. Now convert prioritized insights into smart actions. For each key item, write a specific task, a measurable metric, an owner, and a deadline. You should assign clear KPIs, percent change, revenue targets, or customer metric, and put them on the calendar. Once done, schedule a review in 2-4 weeks to assess progress and adapt plans. If you hit resistance, troubleshoot by revisiting assumptions. Check data accuracy first. If unclear, run a short follow-up survey to validate the finding before changing course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.